Bird in Flight. This look will have two parts, the acrylic application and the gelish nail art application. If you have not done your natural nail preparation, click the link below before continuing. Remove the form from its backing and stick the oval center to the underside to stabilize. Check for form fit and, if needed, customize to fit securely under the free edge of the nail. Nippers or scissors can be used to trim the opening into a more oval shape. Create a C-curve and slide under the free edge of the nail. Stick the form to the sides of the finger and close the tabs evenly to be sure that the C-curve is consistent. For acrylic, you will need Fusion Monomer and the following colored acrylic powders: True Clear, Pure White, Sheen, Bispectrum, Speckle, Zeus, Rhythm, and Wavelengths. With the Harmony No. 9 two-piece brush, apply a small bead of sheen to the nail plate. Next, apply a small bead of Bispectrum at the smile line and fade into sheen. Create the extension edge by applying a small bead of speckle to the form and fading into Bispectrum. Using a Harmony detail brush, pick up a small bead of pure white and double dip into Wavelengths. This will give you a two-toned bead. Apply to the side of the nail, and when it starts to become moldable, press into very thin petal shape. Repeat and add a second petal. Apply a third small bead and, using the tip of the brush, create a donut shape, then press outward. Place a tiny bead in the center of the donut and, using the tip of the brush, press it into a circle. Then, using the brush tip, cut into the side of the circle and press inward to create a swirl. Double dip the brush into Zeus and Rhythm and apply a small bead just below the flower and press into a leaf shape. Repeat and create a second leaf shape. Cap the design and create the structure of the nail using True Clear powder. To mold the C-curve, use your thumbnails to press in and roll downwards. Remove the form. Using the appropriate size Harmony C-curve stick, mold the free edge of the nail around the tool. This will ensure that the C-curve is consistent for the whole body of the nail. With the Harmony 150 grit file, shape the side walls, lower arch, and free edge of the nail. With the Harmony 180 grit file, repeat the filing of the sidewalls, lower arch, and free edge to smooth. Apply a thin coat of Top It Off sealer and cure in the 18G LED light for 30 seconds. For the gelish nail art application, you will need the following colors: Don't Be Such a Sourpuss, Champagne, Arctic Freeze, Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice, Sometimes a Girl's Got to Glow, My Sugar Baby, and Orange Cream Dream. Load a small amount of each color onto a palette. Using a customized mini striper and Arctic Freeze, create a bird shape, wings, and a long swirling tail. Cure in the 18G LED light for 30 seconds. Paint the bird using small amounts of My Sugar Baby on the outside edges, followed by Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice, Orange Cream Dream, Don't Be Such a Sourpuss, and Sometimes a Girl's Got to Glow. Be sure to blend the color slightly as you apply. Cure in the 18G LED light for 30 seconds. With black shadow and a customized mini striper brush, accent the outline of the bird and give it an eye. Apply a thin coat of Gelish Top It Off sealer, making sure to cap the free edge. Cure in the 18G LED light for 30 seconds. Remove the tacky residue with Nail Surface Cleanse and a lint-free wipe. Massage Nourish Cuticle Oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. Now that this look is complete, you are ready to spread your wings and take flight.